Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2016 VW Golf GT edition. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 58 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 19 and this car's had 2 owners and comes with full service history with a very low mileage of just over 23,000 miles. This particular colour is the Metallic Deep Black and looks in good condition for age mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you'll see the interior is in great condition there. The seats are really comfy and supportive, and there's an armrest and 2 cup holders there for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has air conditioning as well as cruise control and then automatic headlights and wipers. And finally, on the driver's door card, you've got your electric folding mirror and 4 window controls. Being the GT edition, you've also got the glass roof there, which lets in plenty of sunlight for you. As we open the rear doors, you have a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back for a hatchback. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and also rear passengers have their own air vents there in the centre too. And opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there, nice and deep with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, which is at its lowest point at the moment, but you can increase that if you wish. And below that, you've also got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with the 18-inch alloy wheels and also the front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.